Welcome. In front of me is a MEDIATEK KT107, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously we'll want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to backup and reset. From there, factory data reset, and it will give you an information that, well, this process will remove basically everything that is mentioned right here. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already made a backup, or you just simply don't want to, then simply select reset phone, apparently, instead of a tablet, and then erase everything, and this will begin the process. Now this will probably take several minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and there was no setup, so we can just simply jump straight into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.